Oh, saya ka na. Dali. Hey, yo! Ayun na, Joey! Dali! Ayun na! Ayun na! Hoy!
Ayan, ayan.
Yan, fun.
I had fun eating.
Almost done.
Wala pa mga excited na ako.
Wow! Diba? Wag you.
Ito pa yung feeling ng nagka-camping.
Feeling mo nagka-camping.
Okay.
Gusto mo na umuwi? Camping lang yun. Dalawang yan.
Nagka-camping lang, dito pa sa Japan.
Get our crackers ready.
Tastes good? See?
Later.
Anak ng
Pusan!
Sino ang nanalo? Si Ninang Mami o Nanay? Tapos Ninong Daddy. Harap pa dyan mga mo.
Uy, bakit ganyan yan?
Wait, that's too much, babe.
Ay, hindi! Ngayon ako na no. Panalong din ng mami.
Parang pati yung neck namin.
The next day.
Ang lamig sobra.
Egg.
Nagluluto sa tabi ng sapa.
You ready to go fishing? Look at that big motherfucker right there, boy. You gonna catch one? Oh, I think you caught one already. You caught one, yay! Why'd you pull it out? Let's try for you to catch one again. Why? No, you got this. No, you're about to get a customer. Bring it up. Slowly bring it up. Stop.
Ay, sabi mo. Pin, time to go home. You had fun today? Yeah?
Go home.
Go home.
Magaling ng Mami sa may house nyo.
Oh, hindi malamig na ulit. Yay!
Tataas na tayo ng bundok.
Opo.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.